The standard 5-station flanging machine is equipped with 5 sliding rails, allowing a maximum of 5 processing units to be installed, including punching, flanging, clamp flanging, hook drawing, curling, cutting, small edge forming, flaring, and other processes. The front and rear positions of the sliding rails can be manually adjusted according to different material diameters, and the units must be fixed with screws to prevent sliding during processing. The punching station is driven by a servo motor, while all other stations adopt hydraulic drive. The flanging hook is used to form an anti-flange edge. When the flanging roller clamps the material, the main shaft rotates, and the flanging mechanism performs an anti-flipping motion based on the rack and pinion principle, thus completing the flange forming. The punching unit is equipped with laser positioning, which can accurately locate the weld seam. The number of holes can be set according to the drawing, and the system will automatically index. The forming settings allow punching to avoid the weld seam and align the flange holes on both sides. This also ensures that the flange holes on each gear cylinder are perfectly aligned on both sides, guaranteeing an aesthetically pleasing assembly of axial flow fans and air ducts. The cooling mechanism is hydraulically powered. By adjusting the flow control valve, it moves forward automatically. As the main shaft rotates and drives the air cylinder to spin, the cooling roller presses against the edge of the material. The material then forms along the arc of the cooling roller, finally achieving the required cooling dimension. The PLC-controlled flanging machine can be customized according to different drawings, supporting various processes such as hook-pull flanging, wall clamping flanging, bill mat flaring, cutting, yet clamping, curling, and more. Molds of different sizes can be customized. When installing molds, the material height must be measured, and the height of the positioning bracket adjusted accordingly to ensure that the material and tools are at the correct matching height during processing.